Today we are going to visit the biggest Hot Wheels convention in Poland, which is the TMS, which also stands for Targi Modeli Samochodowych, which is like car model convention. I guess it's located in a city called Łódź, which is funny because Łódź stands for boat and the city does not have either the sea or river, so that's like a big meme in Poland. And because the city is actually located like in the middle of Poland, it instantly became the most popular car convention in Poland. So yeah, I'm hoping to buy a lot of diecasts today, and we will see how much money I will spend at the end of this video. And now let me show you all of the amazing cars we can see on this convention. And I'm sorry that I am wet because it's so hot outside.
Nie takie, jakie sobie wyobraził. Proszę.
Ale ja je mam.
Co mnie to obchodzi? Ja Seven Daysa też jadłem.
Nie no, dziękuję ślicznie.
Proszę bardzo. Proszę.
Otwieramy blind boxy, trochę ich jest. Pan Bartosz pierwszy otwiera.
Ej, ale Top Gun fajny.
Drugi Bartosza. Już troszkę lepiej, co?
I prosiaczek. Kamera będzie widziała pierwsza. No, mogło być lepiej.
Taki nowy ci dał.
Ja tu chciałem IR33.
Tak. Ale my czekamy na grubsze modele, a wiemy, że są.
O,
Okej.
to jest fajne też.
Prosiaczek, NSX.
NSX.
Mini GT.
O!
RX-7, Silhouette. F40.
Kit.
Wheelbox. Fajny, fajny,
to jest spoko.
fajny.
On się otwiera. I Ferrarka.
Batmobil. Mój syn lubi Batmana.
Też elegancko.
So I went to my car for a little break because it's so hot outside, even in the building. I wanted to leave my new cars, which I bought today, but let me show you what I got. First one is the Porsche 917, which is the Le Mans winner from the 1971 in this beautiful Gulf livery. As you can see, it's a blue chrome color and it looks absolutely beautiful. Next thing I got is this Hot Wheels, which is the F1 car from Ferrari. It's a gift from my brother because he really likes the F1. And the last thing is that Porsche from Forza, and this is a gift from my friend, but sadly I have this car, so on my Polish channel I will be making a giveaway. And now let's go buy even more cars.
BMK fioletowa. BMK fioletowa.
Dobry traf jest.
Ale wiecie, że tutaj zamkniętych też może być coś.
Co jest? O! O! Ładnie!
Jest tak. Nie, chyba
Zaraz otwieramy. Zwykły.
wyklaczek. Zwykły.
O! I też ładnie. Bardzo fajny jest ten Mercedes, bardzo udany. O! Mini GTI-sa. Zwykła. Ręce mi się trzęsą, kurde, bo... O! 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 Pięknie! Ja jestem usatysfakcjonowany. Pewnie jeszcze przyjdziemy po jednego. Aha. Ja też tak żonie zawsze mówię.
A few moments later.
To nie jest sport, to są łzy.
Jest.
Tadam! Słuchajcie, to jest naprawdę jedyny chase, na którego po prostu mi się po nocach szła. Jedyny. Kurwa, tak się cieszę. Ale tu jest konkret też. Polecamy, nie? Mysteryboxes. Kurde, ale o jest.
And now let's check out what I've got from the convention. And we are starting with a gift for my friend, which I already shown you on the video. Next one is the F1 Ferrari, which I already gave to my brother. Next one is this cool R Racing key Landiar, as you can see, with a Rexy and Roxy. And it's a gift from my viewer. Thank you very much. Next one is this beautiful Porsche, which I already shown you earlier. Next one is this weird looking thing, which is a handcrafted 3D printed YouTube subscriber counter from my good friend Bartosz. Thank you so much for this cool gift. And now we are moving to cars which you did not see earlier. First one is a gift from my friend, which is the Tarmac RWB993 in this cool, like, cartoonish comic livery. Very cool looking, very unique car. I can't wait to open it on another video. And here we have 3 cars which I've got from a store called Collector Cars, which is another diecast store which will be a sponsor of our channel. So thank you so much. I hope that I will deliver a good partnership. And first car is the Porsche Carrera in this racing livery from Schuko. Very beautiful car. I actually don't have a Carrera in a racing livery, so I'm really happy. Next one is this Porsche 911 GT2 in this racing livery, also from Tarmac and Schuko. And last thing is this beautiful Porsche 911 GT3 Cup in this beautiful pink and white livery. My second Porsche GT3 Cup. I am very happy and I will definitely collect more in the future. So that would be it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Check out the scalper.eu, which is a sponsor of our channel, and with my promo code you can get 5% discount at the checkout. And also check out the Collector Cars store, which is our second sponsor of our channel. Thank you so much for watching, have a nice day and see ya!